Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Dell Precision 3480? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Next, disconnect the battery cable. This will help eliminate any electrical current from flowing through your laptop's components while you're working on it. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Then unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Now disconnect the antenna cables and then slide out the Wi-Fi card. Unroute the white Wi-Fi cable that connects to the left speaker. Then disconnect the speaker cable. Next, unscrew and remove the inner frame. Next, unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cable. And my LCD screen does not have an IR cable, but if yours does, just slide it out. I've labeled the location for it right here. Now disconnect the cooling fan cable. Now unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the solid state drive bracket. Then slide out the solid state drive. Now disconnect and remove the CMOS battery. Now pull the locking clips away from the memory modules to unlock the RAM. Then slide out the RAM. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Now unscrew the USB Type-C bracket. Now if your model has a fingerprint reader, which mine does not, you'll unscrew and remove the fingerprint reader cable bracket. Then disconnect the cable located here. Now unscrew and remove the heatsink. Next, unscrew and remove the motherboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your processors and heatsink. And for maximum cooling, do not touch these heat transfer areas. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the processor before replacing your heatsink. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.